What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and I'm excited for somebody who basically blew their account today. I didn't blow the account, but I reached my daily loss for the day, so they basically stopped me out, and today was just a bad day. What I grasped from today, like the biggest lesson, is just I'm not trading on news event days because the candles are just so disgusting. They will hit you out no matter where you have your stop loss, right? Um, I also overtraded, but the biggest thing for me today was like not trading news events because that really messed me up today. The first trade was at 10. The first trade was at 10:01. I'm not sure why it's doing this, but I have a reflection of it on my phone that I can actually kind of model from. So I entered the first trade at 10 o'clock. That 10 o'clock. Look for it. 10. Right, so at 10 I hit a buy. So big I saw like a huge rejection with the candle pushing up, so I'm expecting it to continue. So I entered this one at 14902.92. I got stopped out rather quickly on the same candle, as you can see here, 2 minutes after at 14890. 14890.27. Right, that's where I got stopped out. First trade for a loss of 25.3. The next trade I had entered at, let's see, I entered this one on the 10 o'clock candle again, buy side again, right? I entered another buy side trade because I'm thinking, okay, they whip me out, fine, but where we might see a continuation. I was definitely wrong on that trade. I entered this one at 14945.45. Right, it's actually moved up and changed, so can have a better look at what's going on, and also I can have a better look at what's going on. I entered this one at 14945, change some, see, purple. Okay, it's definitely more visible and separates the other candles. And then I got stopped out, same candle, 10 o'clock candle at 1494. And see how big that wick was, especially when you're trading during the day, and that's a 15-minute candle. So that's a disgusting candle that will hit you out 100% if you're not prepared for it. So I got stopped out here because this was basically the range of the candle for the entire day, or for that 15-minute, right? The next one I entered, I think on the 10 o'clock again. Let's see. Entered on the 10 o'clock, and you can see that this one was a loss of 61.6. This one was a loss of 25.3. Now this one was a loss of 70.80. So today was a painful day for me, honestly. Painful day. I would say don't trade the news. Honestly, like, whoever you are, don't trade the news. Like, I'm not gonna be trading news events ever again. It's not worth it. So I entered this one at 14945.02. Then I got stopped out at 14880.42, same candle. So I kept on thinking that, all right, Jerome Powell released some news. The market took it very bullish. We're going to go up, only to see a huge sell off, that wick down. That was even after I entered, as it was entering, going up to the high side. So I thought it would have continued. Nope. And I set my stop loss below this low. It came, tap me out before closing up here, pushing up and then rejecting violently. So I entered to the sell side here. Entered to the sell side. Let's see. So I entered at 14845. 845. So this is where I entered closer to the bottom of the candle to the sell side, and I got stopped out with the market kind of pushed back up. And that was this trade. For the fourth trade, I entered, I think this one I entered on the 1015 candle. Let's actually check it out. Yes, I entered on the 1015 candle, thinking it would have went up from there, but I was totally wrong, man. I entered this one at 14,973, 73.17. So I entered here thinking it would have continued to the upside, and then I got stopped out. Same candle at 14,948, 948.02. So this is where I got stopped out for a loss of 75.45. And then this final trade, and this was the whammy. This one took me out gnarly. I entered to the buy side again, and I had a bigger stop loss because I'm thinking that we were just gonna kind of range before pushing up. Like, I think it was just going to hit out some people before making that move to the upside. I was definitely wrong, and I faced the consequences for that. So I entered this one at 14,912.17 to the buy side again, and then I got stopped out. Same candle, as you can see, it was a violent sell-off at 14,858.02. This is where I got stopped out for a loss of 103, and you can see they're basically saying that I reached my account, lost 8.52%, something about status of the account breached. Was just not a good trading day for me today, especially with the Jerome Powell going on. So if I had had some patience and waited for this rejection, I could have entered to the upside. This would have been a much nicer trade. This weekend I'm gonna be studying again. Let's get back on the charts, back to work, and let's see how I can become massively profitable. But I know this is not the end. I don't think this account is fully gone, but I'm definitely going to work on a strategy where I can just be risking, say, 0.05% max per day. So that gives me a lot of time to just play with the strategy and work on it, right? But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not even going to end it yet. Let's hit X right now. So what happened today was that Jerome Powell hinted that there may be further rate hikes to curb inflation, but he's still less hawkish. So he's saying there may be further rate hikes, but we don't know if he's going to do more rate hikes, right? That was basically what happened today and why the market reacted. And then also we have Elon that did FSD live stream today. That was pretty cool. I hope you guys can check that out. It's on Elon's page. There's a recording of it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.